We loaded back up, pointed the Bonanza towards Detroit. Night, weather building. This is where judgment matters. We'll pick up our IFR, thread the backside of the sails, and we'll see if the Garmin earns its keep. Stick with me. By the time we get to Pontiac, you'll know exactly how we made every decision. You know, this plane's been a blessing, and the people that have come with it. Sure is nice to have a real pilot to tag along with in the form of jet pilot Jacob.
All right, lots of green.
No.
I'm gonna store it where I can store it. I can't store it there. It's all right. We're gonna put it right behind the seat, and away we go.
Positive rate, good climb. About 1,000 feet per minute with the summer with a high density altitude. Level ahead,
Here's
steady
coming up.
hands. Tonight's about staying ahead of the airplane.
20 feet. Wow, there's a house at the end of the runway. Big old barge.
Wow, all that. Yeah, barge and all the homes there. Flying like a homesick angel, 1,000 feet per minute.
What's the density altitude? 2,100. That's interesting. We're getting that much out of it, but take it. What we're gonna go up to?
I don't remember what I found before, to be honest, but just check the winds, and I think I did only like 5,000 feet.
Bear with me.
Thousand feet, making the first power change.
5,000 feet is 9 knots. 7,000 feet is 8 knots. 5,000 is actually better.
I'll take 5.
Good.
Alright, once we're through 1900, we're just going to keep climbing up to 5. But we can't make our first turn until 19. It is. Let's go. Can I get a fresh direct 2 line, please?
Yes, sir. Up.
And you can go over to Comp 1 and talk to Minneapolis after you do your last call.
Mackinac Island traffic, Bonanza Full Fox Hotel. Departing traffic pattern to the southwest, call Mackinac Island. Alright, there we go. Alright. Minneapolis Center, November 4 Foxtrot Hotel. Stand by.
Chronos 519, flighting 250, join the localizer, report established. 4 Foxtrot, tell me up center, clear the Pontiac Airport via direct, climb maintain 5,000, Fox 7065.
Clear direct S5 up to 5,000, squawk 7065 for Foxtrot Hotel.
Yep.
Tired of them. Give out. Alright. Let's look at what craziness awaits us down there.
Hopefully not bad. I mean, there's still a chance we're going to end up at Paddleborn.
Well, what are we? We're only an hour and a half in the climb.
Yeah, it was only just over an hour flight before.
Good. What is all them damn lines? Where is this coming from? What is
That's
that?
your 45-minute reserve line and your fuel exhaustion line.
Ah, okay. Oh, good to know. We're doing 25 in auto. It's a little hazy. We run around. What do we got? You got your lights off or on, or what would
I
you?
got short beacon and nav on.
Put press off.
Dashboard 2639, clear direct Thunder Bay Airport. Clear direct Thunder Bay Airport, dashboard 2639. Chronos 519, roger, 10 miles east of Manistee Airport, cleared ILS, with first Manistee.
And that's going to clear out.
Toronto 519.
It's so weird to me how
cancellation on this frequency.
composite and base looks so much different. The regular straight up radar doesn't look bad, but then if you look at the base image,
Any chance direct to Zever, Victor India?
it's moderate, which I would not fly.
IFR cancellation proceeds, Fox VFR frequency change approved. Have a good day.
It's really bad and moving fast up there. It's moving to the east. We can see it. There's 3 sources of radar in the plane, so we've got a good look at it, plus we can talk to the controllers and find out. But we are just sorting through how far west we're going to have to go to the back side of it and get around it and getting set up. Thank God Jacob goes across this stuff all the time. I probably would have set this one out in the dark. The storm's moving to the east pretty fast. We're going to come up on the behind it, but we've got to have it move. So we've got to plan around it. It does look bad, I'm not going to lie. And as the dark closes in, you want to go to the lights on the ground, not to the darkness, because that's where the rain and all the crap is. We pick our way through. We're going to turn here in just a second. You'll see us turn back towards the sun. That's the west. We're going to pick our way around to the back side of the storm, and then we're going to pop out into Detroit.
All right.
Fort Foxtrot Hotel, you're 10 miles from Lyra, across Lyra 3000, clear for the RNAV, runway 27 left approach.
Clear for the RNAV 27 approach. We'll cross Lyra at 3000, Fort Foxtrot Hotel. Interesting. When I started, I would pull this plane back and start slowing it up way out here. Now I'm like letting it rip.
Well, yeah, it's just something you gotta get used to. Once that it clicks in your head about how to deal with performance, and like, okay, I can just go to this and still slow down. We're gonna keep the same descent rate going through same ground speed. I mean, actually, it was shallow the descent out. We'll be all good. We'll be at flaps at gear speed pretty early.
Well, it's an amazing piece of equipment.
Bless those people that can fly this shit 6-pack.
I know it. God help them. I was like, man, I want none of that anymore. Give me the television sets.
It's gonna be a left-hand turn off, by the way.
Okay.
We're going to Elite is the name of that VO.
Elite. Alright, Gumps.
About 90 seconds out, we can put it on now again.
Alright.
3 green!
Got 3 greens on my side.
Picture coming in. Prop 2.
2405.
Perfect.
There it is in the distance. You can see the runway. Proud to be here. Proud to be done for the night. Been a long, long day of getting out of Oshkosh, turning around, shooting the Fisk arrival again.
500.
Landing in Madison to get some fuel and out of the way, and then turning right back to the north to go to Mackinac and then to here. This plane's a time machine. The avionics in it are very capable. You know, Jacob and the other 2 men that are involved in the ownership of this are certainly capable too. As an older fella, you know, I'm just proud to be here, learning, riding along, getting my sea legs back.
Hitting low. Correcting.
Alright, you using any flaps?
Yeah.
Yeah, all good. I'm about to suggest you just ask him before we did. Alright. I got white over white, or well, two white to red.
ICT 7 left.
Alright, we are 40. 20 on the ground.
Oh, yeah, we're on the ground, buddy.
We're on the ground. We're on the ground in town. Alright. Alright.
Nancy 4 Foxtrot Hotel, when able to say parking?
Elite.
Touchdown in Pontiac. Night, weather, and the Garmin did its job. But tonight reminded me that judgment comes first. Big thanks to Jacob for the calm CRM and keeping us ahead of the airplane. If you're a rusty pilot like me, remember, behind the line, lights over the darkness, and brief the approach before you need to. You'll tie down here in Detroit. And tomorrow the trip changes. The Bonanza has other plans. Right along, next episode from Detroit to the house, we have a failed alternator and we have to ride home on the airlines and come back and get the airplane the next week.
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these wrestlers nice. All these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory you gotta press the